Hindi reading practice 3-letter words. First one is kamar, kamara, kamar, lataka, latak, pataka, patak, kanaka, kanak, bhanaka, bhanak, sanaka, sanak, qasama, qasam, ghazala, ghazal, naraka, narak. कमर, लटक, पटक, कनक, भनक, सनक, कसम, गजल, नरक. महल. So whenever you have ha sound in between, you always spell it hai instead of ha. So it's not mahal, it's महल. ताज महल, hell. Taj Mahal. Okay, mahal. Mahal is palace. Mahal. Namak, masak, lalak, mehak. Ha sound, then it is hai. Mehak. चहक, टहल, मटक, महल, नमक, मसक, ललक, महक, चहक, टहल, मटक.